Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this episode, Harrods Garage is getting a makeover. Stay tuned. Alrighty guys, thanks for tuning in. If you haven't yet, please hit that subscribe button and the post notification bell to stay up to date with my projects. With that being said, let's get into it. Alrighty guys, I've got a LED light. It's done, it's gone. And yeah, I'm not doing that. We are doing some shelving. I'm gonna do some shelving over here. So I've already gone and picked it up. It's in the car, so I'll bring it in and we'll set it up over here so we can clean up the space. Right boys, oh, also got a pressure washer. So it's 1800 by 1800. So I actually came home and measured, but I didn't take into account the angle that the door opens. So I'm going to shift it across a bit, so we'll probably end up maybe even having to have it out a bit. Yeah. Alright, so pretty much it's going to butt up against this floating shelf that's drooping pretty bad because of the turbos, and it's going to go from there to here, which is probably perfect. So let's clean up and get it done. So after that's done, we shouldn't have anything on this side, so we should be able to get a car in a bit better. And I'm wanting to have a little workstation. It's good to have the PowerPoint there too. So our extinguisher is going to have to move. Right boys, time to move. I don't have to move those two containers back there, but everything else has to move. Pretty much just going to shift it over to the other side. We'll make it, and we'll put everything that we need on it. So the rings and the straps will go. Right boys, cleaned up the area. Actually, I'll get these off. These are the side strips that I've never put back on the skyline. Alright, let's go ahead and assemble the rack. Right, we'll do another time lapse of me trying to install it and trying to put it together in the dark. Alrighty guys, so I managed to get it in between the two poles, which is cool. We're just going to have to notch notch out the MDF. I'm going to have MDF on this level here, so it's more like a workbench. I might even do something to the MDF, like seal it or something like that. I'll probably have MDF up here. I don't know if I'll have any MDF down the bottom just because of moisture. We'll just have the wire racks down there for storage. With the MDF up here, I'm going to mount some lights onto it so we have a nice bright workspace along here. You can always add more shelving or even drawers. So it's a pretty cool system. Gets a bit expensive. This was 230 bucks. I haven't finished it yet. I'll wait until I've done it. But yeah, I'm gonna store the detailing stuff here, the fiberglass stuff here. I am wanting to do fiberglass here, so keep fiberglass over here, keep metal and car stuff over there. So kind of keep it a bit cleaner over here. Let's keep going. Got to put in the braces across here. I've got 4 braces each level. Right, so I've got the cross members in there. Down the bottom we've got the wire. So with the bottom wire, I'm just going to have to cut here and here, and it will slide straight in, nice and easy. Here, I'm going to have to notch it out. So pretty easy. It wasn't square before. I did square it up. I've got the MDF up here. And I don't know if I should put the wire up the top here. I think I should. It's a lot easier to cut. You know, it's just one maybe 2 bits of wire that I need to cut. So that's yeah. It's only going to have to be like 1, 2 at the top, so we should be good. So I'll do the wires first with the angle grinder, then I'll come in here and mark the distance that we need to cut it out, and I'll get the jigsaw out and do a nice cut hopefully. There you go, pretty damn easy, got that one in. And let's do the top one. Alright, we've got the top one on there. I had to cut out 2. And now this bad boy. And there we have it, guys. Nicely notched out. The new storage system. So let's load this up. There's plenty to put in there. Some of this will be going out into the shed. It's more household stuff. Like this stuff here that's been here forever. Yeah. Detailing stuff, electronic stuff, fiberglass stuff, be all going down here. And whatever I can fit up the top. Maybe like the paint cans, like spray cans. Stuff will go up on the MDF. Can't really put much up there. We'll work it out. But yeah, got another workbench for my fiberglassing. Nice long bit. Do some guards. It's not very deep. It is only 500 deep. That's okay. I was actually thinking of getting the 430, so it would have been a heap shallower. I'm glad I actually made the mistake of getting a 1800. It's actually pretty decent size. Let's test out the door, see if it fouls on it at all or whatever. Alright, let's start loading it up. So it's 400 kilos per shelf if you got the 4 braces, which I do have. So let's do it. I'm actually excited. So yeah, everything on that side should be gone. So we'll be able to pull the cars in a bit closer to that side. It doesn't come out as far as the fridge, so we should be good. Alrighty boys, just got some containers on there, and what I might actually do is bring it up a couple so I can actually get more stuff underneath, because it's just wasted space. If I can bring it up high enough to get these containers underneath, I'll do that. Well, that makes more sense, doesn't it, boys? So I can get 4 underneath. We do have 4. We'll probably get another 4 on top. So, easy. Oh, all this stuff up here is my carbon fibre stuff. So I've got cloth, got chop to do forged, got some clear epoxy there. Yeah, we'll keep going at this and we'll come back. It's all looking a lot better because you guys need to charge. Alright, so this bag here is full of detail stuff. That'll end up going down there on top of the polisher. You get some screws. I'm going to screw this into the beam here. I'll hang electrical cords, jumper cables off that. Jack stands that still went under the Forester. Detailing stuff, pressure washer, so that'll free up once I finally get it out of the box. This box, cardboard box that's falling apart, that'll end up going into a tub, so that'll probably end up down the bottom somewhere. That's just all like Forester stuff. Wheel spacers, intake, catch cans, hoses, you know, all miscellaneous things. Got all spray cans up top, thinners, brake cleaner, prep wash, stuff like that. Out of reach of the kids. Found my AC belt. Found some Xbox games, some DS games, some PlayStation 1 games. Woo! I did actually put these up on eBay a couple of, maybe 3 years ago. I had Crash Bandicoot 3. Sold it for like $90. Probably a month later, the trilogy came out on the PlayStation 4. So I just bought that and had all 3 of them. Anyway, we are slowly cleaning up. A lot of cardboard, a lot of empty bottles that I didn't know I had. So I'll get rid of them. And I've got a couple of batteries. I've got the rotors off the Golf. We'll take them to work because the guys get scrap metal for them. Same with that. Jerry can that I've had for ages, but it's Dad, so I better take that back to him. Drive shafts that I need to get rid of because they're stuffed. Lots of stuff. Yeah, freeing up This should be all clear, so should be able to come in more on this side, and hopefully that'll work. Might get rid of this, not sure just yet. We'll see how we go with that over there. Might actually have the charger over there. Yeah, trying to keep this all neat over here. Oh, another box over here of car parts. So I've got the door lock mechanisms for the Volkswagen. Got Subaru gearbox stuff going on. Still need to go get the gearbox and re-diff for that. The vacuum storage bag. I'm going to try that with the fiberglass. I'm going to vacuum bag it. See how we go with that. Got a drawer here. What do you think's in them? Sandpaper. Different grits. I thought that was pretty cool. That was something from the office when I left the gym. Got the rotating assembly out of an EJ205. That was my stock one. I don't know why I'm holding on to that. I think the crank is stuck anyway. Could probably take that to work and chuck it out. Probably as soon as I do that, something will happen to mine. Anyways, I'll probably pick up an engine anyway for like $100 from Pick Apart, and just put all the other stuff in it. But yeah, slowly getting there. Alrighty guys, it's the next day. Still got a little bit to clean up. Slowly take them. I'll take the batteries and the brakes to work tomorrow. But I'll cut all this down so I can fit it all into my boot. I can take that. So, the question is, guys, do you think I should put a coating on this MDF so it'll be a bit easier to clean up and the resin doesn't stick to it and lock things in? Let me know. Should I just do like a varnish on it, or do an epoxy or something like that? And yeah, we'll get started doing more fiberglassing now that it's away from all the metal stuff. So even though I've got a little bit to go still need to do this light. That's going to be it for this episode. So if you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't yet, please hit that subscribe button and the post notification bell to stay up to date with my builds. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next episode. Bye.